niwe representative wabo kandi niwe coordinator w'abeshongozi bona abo muri Kigezi so nataya ya Kigezi rizuba
ntakishira so uri n'abantu ba Kigezi
na tera yakasheshe hari wemba nore hacero akabeho konkana ikayo bampo bushera ntatagata
tuwanywa busheroke bw'icyakutwa
ayashonga nazi kwasaganya twaganira ibintu byinji both on camera and off camera shayi no mukiga
ngoro twe nebya off camera
ebebe mukucerekana ibyo twendebyo
mwe mu bya off camera ni mutera shayi ni umukiga ekikono
bae
bari mwe ba Phantom bakutera disco mabara bari mu aba presenter bakora ama radio na ama TVs timukwereza attention shayi no mukiga ebyo nebiri off camera bwe mwari ebyo ekindi ogumwaka mbu nabaza ku celebrating 10 years of shayi no mukiga
okay
umuntu wa mara imyaka 10 mu disco nawe natanguhi konke bitwaganira kamera na munonga byane bikwata copyright Numanya yesterday tutandikireho story ya copyright. Ejesha abeshonguzi nibindi bona nibibuza copyright niki. Abamwete bakukima abamwe ne baceta copyright. Kandi ni copyright.
Tubakumanage kumanya.
So natayira shayi no mukiga. Twaganira na nishaba producer tuzanire bitwaganira. We start from there. Producer no basa kumpereze binakorana na shayi no mukiga tutandikiraho henyine. Okay. And of course twazorekeza Kigezi omurika baresha Eugene Stami ndeze DJ Beazini Serebo Wambarata yari West irakaditu niyo TV yori munoreba kandi nibagita twinuce extra we are the fantastic four hours there kandi abari mu studio Tashirona na DJ Phantom mukore kintu cyamani eshaheje kuba muri muhereza abantu nshemere ibintu byo kushemererwa ibintu bya entertainment kandi turiho kuja ngo turete bikweta gisabyo nakoreka entertainment industry yitu yaza omboteka instamano mchara wa mani mnonga no mweshongozi no mwebembezi wabeshongozi ba Kigezi ni we representative wabakazi bona bakweshongora. If you know that you are female, she is your leader. No wari kuba representing nkabeshongozi ba Western Uganda kandi ni mweta nyonyozi nchira mweta mama Junior nakutangira nakushemererwa
ninye nakiro ragamba Kibeazini
tinyine shongari
I love you because if I stand when I'm serious ndakukira ha muto
maybe n'abashitami
ninti bitari
n'abashitami
ndakukira ha
bazora musi okutureba tayari
muragamba ki abarebe abarunji abatayari West mwe bari munonga okuhagira. I'm so glad I'm here.
First things first shayi no mukiga no mwebembezi ekiri mu kitamburo mu ihanga ni copyright law. Copyright law yonko mwebembezi wa beshongozi kandi abeshongozi ni bagom creatives. Copyright law ne tukwata utwena copyright law yonkiwe bayija bakatubuza copyright law okagaruka muki shayi no mukiga copyright law niki
naenda ku kigambo mu rurimo rworo bingutena turucenge tutagire mu rujungu rwinje ngeno okuchorobya copyright law no kubasisa every creative out there buri muntu ryokwe creative barabeta baha
abakwanga hanga
abarahanga barasa ko ryo muhandikiwe kitabo barasa ko ryo mweshongo zasa ko razana film barasa ko barazina barasa ko bamwene ibyo byona the creatives no copyright law neyo kutubasisa kurya aha bintu byetu okashanga ngunyewe nandyo mweshongo shayi no mukiga nyine cyeshongoro cyanje rwabona ebara yonkati yakitera abantu tibarijora bakazina bakagura marwa nyonka rugira ngaha otashange ngutayari West yerenda kunuza show yayo eraza kutera ndungira then ye kwate yo nyoye ndyo mu kantine cyo kuriya node so the copyright law ni teke rigireho kubasisa creatives abarya herokwe okurya ha bintu byabo ebibaragira ki
barakora tugere ngu edishaha abahanje ningashi ba creatives tibakurya art yabo.
No, we don't. Darling, we don't. Amangunerizo mutarasa kuterere simu yawe gambe yamawe rikora tune konkanta karya gohona rukundo
kora tune ne yashireta batine rusaku rwo wawe.
Exactly my point. Am I going to sue MTN? Can I afford it?
Echeshongoro nibabachire. My thought kora tune
nibyo byona erizoba waza ha YouTube ntire hecheshongoro canje candungira
niwe Beazini
watekayo hakananka kawe na nanka yako atayateka hakeye esete zinobire ninjya mwena mwagira ki mwena mwazirya oshanga ngo rizoba hundi yo ningambira ready yeriyo netere byeshongoro byanje and that is all. The copyright law is giving us the right over our art, right over our craft. Interi izoba
kukwereza ubwananye nibwo.
Yes, erizoba naye shongore cyeshongoro ne canje weno renda kucyuhurira ndafuna weno renda kushemererwa because of my song. I'm going to get paid for it today and even when I'm not alive anymore. So the copyright law is to make sure that kundi bantari ho nyensa junior wanje ryagira teshima makakora copyright niyo banka yetu nimwe turabika ki esete zitu nimwe turasavinga for our future. Very many people have come out to say erayamba beshongoza bakwasireyo because erizo babagambira tayari West ngwe shashura beshongoza urire bakareta shine hatebo katije bakareta na Kenzo tayari terashashure shine eraza kushashura Kenzo hakuba inizina neceshongoro kirunje kokanye wenda kufunamo
aho no tukwijira tukaja ngo copyright law akuba nabeshongoza bamwe arabe nakozero interviews nabi ndi interacting nabo naja ngo copyright law ne kuyamba bakwasireyo itoba upcoming teenager tugashira
yaende taba atabo copyright law ekina kugira nti nyenda funamo eraza kutuyamba kucenchura
kuyamu talents
kacheri
kuyamu bakacheri.
Why am I saying this? Tindarugaha karondo muto kumpandikire cyeshongoro nkamuha katuje mutwara ashatu kaza mu studio nkashashire mitwaro nshanjo akotaka kade nkakore cyeshongoro nyencha kare Truth 256 ya ine show aha stage okashanga ndi kurwana kuza aha stage no mweshongozo wakorire wakira kasheshe akarye ameirunji akafuna vibe ameirunji nizinga hitinga 12 akafuna vibe nanyete ndamanya akafuna vibe akazamuka studio kwabo kemitari 10 aina keshongoro kari makacence konka emitari 10 konka nyo wentire makakade twena turya haraini turi kugwana nohora abanzayo. This is going to help us to get serious with our music.
Abakutureba tayari West eshaje tunesha no mukiga kandi obwenshonga za copyright law zikiri wide. And the fact is it is wide. Kandi tinko expecting ngo abeshongoza bo kwebembera bona ne bajimanya ne kibikumanyisa.
Muna inanyete ndabicengaje konka banzo mpurire beyazini. Ndenda kwehanangiriza abeshongoza baryokwe. Kora abo ryo mweshongoza uri mu gihe cy'ikintu nka business akati turashana hariho rikweshongora warenda ngo akasenta ka wabo yarabaho bagire ngo kati naraba stage ya bodari bagire ngo ni wogwe ari cyo kiroto cheye you are okay to not be part of the copyright law. Don't sign it, don't even be part of it. Konka kora abo ryo kwe, you're like me, you have a family, you have people who depend on you, you want to benefit from your music financially. I advise you, there is nothing like a small artist. It is just a matter of being serious.
Tujengu litaka garutire kuri raheze kusayiningwa hariyo plan zo kwija kushomesa abantu about this copyright law cause abinji almost 90% yaba ryo mu creatives tebakumanya kigambo copyright kibikumanyisa tebakumaniriza kuba implemented muri ngoce.
It's going to be done. What was hard was first teaching people about copyright, lero tukabona kuzigenda kujishaba icyo kikaba kiraza kuguma. They tried. I was one of the people who were saying, what are you saying? Copyright tera yamba beshongozi bace mugiyampa bici konka nanyo mu workshops tubona kabebembeza nazayo nacengayo kaca kunacengayo.
Which is
so just nenda ngunze yo mpage so that bashobora kwija hano kumbuza mbase kwashobora mu ruzungu ntaga mu rukiga ntaga mu ruzungu ngo mukabura
shayi no mukiga omukwezi ombwiro butakurenga kwezi kumweshoborize mebyeshongoro bishatu rwabona echo huire kiro it is just less than 24 hours right now yandunjira and it is nindakira mu kitambura munongo it is almost 1k plus views YouTube kandi na nabachurire mone bajangu it is nice song
na Mr DJ
akajishoza last month konka twakubara duration kukurenga kwezi kumwe. What are you after? Nonda kutwisa waka
maraso butafa. I have tried to kill you people mwayanga kufa murabaso butafa just ndenda I want everyone served ndenda bujyo mwayihemake
about behind cameras. Echa copyright law nora yayereka ngo kikankiza kuba yamba kuri babandeze bakeje sabe shongozi n'abari mu creative.
Yo apate inahuraho je nahiyagira ngo nkaza Kampala nayegayo bice binayegireyo nagaruka. Babandi tubarakoze reki?
She is a representative.
She's a representative.
The coordinator wa UNMF omuri Kigezi region. So yahereza submission yajangu ne bakugaruko wa Eddie Kenzo akubani warugero mu State House kuganira na president. Karaheze kubegesa bakamanya ekiryo mu iteka, they will come and give us details. So as bana umweshongozi we no ryaho nani njamo za AI ari Google ninga mwekumira tugume tubegeseho kace kace.
So before Eddie Kenzo ataka meeting president bayata meeting na ba Shine.
Of course Shine no mukigano mwomba bandize kwa kanise bintebi ngo bya copyright bikuza kubagitaho. Konka ko yajangu kuyatandikire yagumanaza omu meeting zezo Kampala kuri ya mutundu ayi bakucera kuza bakarira esente yayega yazo meetings bayega atakayegereyo ni watandikire kwikiriza.
Konka nye echinta kundamo muri ebe byona is the fact that they are picking a few kubegesa abandi bakora ki.
I don't think
if they are having money to go to Mutundwe and eat, I want to work for nine nakasenta kubasa caterinja abeshongozi abandi mara bakakora ki bakazabe bakari because going on a Shine going akaza kwega nchibanje manyisa ngo Shine tarabase kwija kushobora je nkiwe Beazina akija kushobora Kachenga akija kushobora Rona Kachenga akija kushobora na Noha Natasha Kachenga. So people have different opinions kana we echiya kubasa kuba yegera nchibasa kuba kitari chenyine echibakora ki echibakumanya. So this copyright law would have been better if probably they did regional sensitization ningashibagena nibegesa pa region bagire ngo hati twaza kwija Kigezi ubundi tuje ankore ubundi tuje bagwemba hindura mu myanya bagene nibegesa abantu mago kugira ngo bete Shine aze mutunde harumwe
Orion coordinator the meeting is rero neza aba coordinators ngutuze ngo ankore coordinator wabo ni nanka CJ champion na nakabaka Simon bo bakucira kuzayo. So I think in a way of implementing this law kerabe yabire past byona byawire ne bakugezaho kwija ahansi bakitereza
na wenshi nibategereza kuba cyabire yabire roden.
I think we shall get more of that kubaraheze kucengana
tureba more Shine umukiga arukora ekibamurondire
producer muna tugambira time tash and of course tukiryo mu field twine kuzakora sente za bakamabi twino mujenyi original agamba ekiryo mu town ebipapura byanikiri kembo yesterday tumigambira barimo ne babitagora byona ne babihanura. Why? Who is he or who is she? We shall discuss more about that. Na story itu inendi ijo nituza kujiganira twagaruka.
Exactly.
Imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Yagurra Zuku TV decoder na satellite dish erizoba aha bei kache emitwaro 89 zonka kandi Zuku decoder aha mitwaro 8 zonka rero shemererwe obwo kwerebera channels nungi nka series ezabana music amahure agaloko hamwe na gaheru yihanga nezindi nyingi yerebere Zuku Smart aha mitwaro 12 zonka Zuku Smart Plus aha mitwaro 16 Zuku Classic aha mitwaro 25